gossiping is very hard to not try, not indulge in, because from the small time we have been practiced, or we have been indulging in too much gossiping, that we tend to gossip a lot, right? And it also, in this, the one who asked the question also is suffering from feeling left out, right? Feeling left out, like if the question says it, if I don't gossip, I feel like a weirdo. So that means to fit in, we are gossiping, right? So actually, even though you gossip, the thing is that you can reduce your gossip. Isn't that right? Gossip meaning, I'm not saying the gossip like baseless gossip. Suppose somebody has not done something, and is there a base for gossip actually, or are all gossip baseless?
Factual gossip and baseless gossip.
Really? There is. I thought.
I can say that, that day I saw somebody doing this.
Oh.
So if I say it's based on that.
Oh. I'm saying the baseless gossip. A rumor, yeah, type of rumor. So even though you cannot practice fully, for a beginner, as I said, Buddha's way is very open. So even though if you must not say every time that I'm just a beginner, I cannot practice, but try to practice more and more. But if you cannot practice at first time, you must try to reduce the gossip level. Suppose your level is at level 10 of gossiping. Your level is at level 10 of gossiping. You must try to reduce the level to level 9, then slowly to level 1. Then you won't feel the need of gossiping. Also, the cause of gossiping in this, first we must recognize the cause, right? The cause of gossiping in this particular question is the suffering of fitting in. So first, be comfortable with yourself. Don't feel like you are a weirdo. And if you delay that cause, then you won't feel the need to gossip. So in short, what I mean is just reduce your level of gossip. In a way, that's also practicing. When we say practice, we usually think of meditating and sitting in a posture. We must not think like that. There are many levels of practice. Whichever you feel you can do the most, and cultivate it from that level. You can do from a reduced level to cultivating it to a higher and higher level. So that's one way of doing it. So one way of not gossiping, you can also think of the effects of gossiping. What will be the effects? What you will feel if somebody gossips about you. If you think about that, then I think you would get a little bit less gossipy. Yeah.